Okay, so today's lesson is 7-1, factors and greatest common factors. A lot of this should be review, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. The first topic that we need to know is prime factorization. We're going to find the prime factorization of 60, and I'll show you two separate methods that you can use for this. Okay, so now I'm breaking down my 60. I'm looking for factors, two things that multiply to 60, like 2 and 30. And since 2 is prime, I circle that. And so we want to complete this factor tree. Okay, this other method is called the ladder method or the cake method, and we're going to start with the smallest prime number that divides into 60. So 60 divided by 2, that goes on the outside, and then we build our next layer. 60 divided by 2 is 30. And now we're going to divide by a small number again, so divide by 2, we'll get 15. Divide by 3, and we get 5. So to find GCF, I'm doing factor trees in my head, so I started with 24, and I got 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, and I'm going to show you how I do 60. So for 60, I might start with 6 and 10. Well, I can't write any of those down yet because they're not prime, but 6 I know breaks down to 2 times 3, and 10, because I'm doing 6 times 10, so 10 breaks down to 2 times 5. And I can reorder those numbers if I want to, so it's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. It might be easier in numerical order. And now we're looking for what is in common for 24 and 60. So I have a 2, and a 3 in common. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 2 times 3, and I will get my GCF. 2, 3. Okay, so 3x cubed is a monomial, and when we break that down, 3 as a factor tree is just the number 3, and x cubed would be x times x times x. And I'm going to do 6x squared, so 6 breaks down to 2 times 3, and x squared breaks down to x times x. Now we're going to see what's in common, and we're going to get our GCF.